Alright, now let me show you how to use one step to build a custom t-shirt feature. I expect customers can upload their photos and remove the background, input custom text and select the text color and style, and choose the background pattern. Let's get started. The first thing I'll do is modify the feature name to make management and modification easier. Next, I'll modify the size parameters of the print file before starting the design. I've consulted the manufacturer, and they require a print file with a dimension of 10001000 and a resolution of 300 dpi. I only need to adjust the DPI. Now I need to add a photo of a cat to the canvas, but I don't want the background in the photo, so I used a background remove tool. Okay, now the processed photo is in the history. You can click on it and add it to the canvas. Slightly adjust the display range of the image, as we'll be adding text to the canvas later. Also, adjust the image display mode. Tips: for remove background, face cutout, shaped crop, you need to adjust the image display mode to contain. This way, the image will be fully displayed on the canvas. And then add a text layer, move it to the corresponding position, input the content, slightly adjust the size. At the same time, I'll also turn on the fixed width and height. This way, no matter how much text is input, it will be displayed within the green box, and the text will be reduced proportionally. Then I can directly add a background image. I can either click on my devices or simply drag the image onto the canvas. It's very convenient. Adjust the layer order so that it doesn't cover the cat and the text. Okay, next I'll set all of them to be customizable. You can see that it automatically recognizes that this layer should use the photo upload component. And it has automatically checked the functions of image cropping and background removal for me. This is amazing. I just need to slightly modify the component label. Next comes the text. It's successfully recognized. I only need to modify the component label and the maximum character limit. Then there's the background changing part. Unfortunately, it was recognized as the moon phases preview component. But it doesn't matter. We can manually replace it with the image swatch component and delete the unnecessary components. Keep editing the label component and upload the pre-made background image I've got for our customers. After uploaded, click on Image Output Value is Different and upload the pre-made thumbnail. Let's name each option and make the selected one's name show up right next to the label. As for the remaining text color and font, I'll add separate components for each of them. I'm gonna go with the color swatch and select font component. Drag the color swatch component to reorder the components. Next, add the select font component, add our prepped font choices as options, and pick a default font. Now you can see the components on the right have lines connecting to the layers on the left, which means they're already data linked. But the color swatch and select font components aren't, so I'm gonna manually link them up in the workflow. Click on Workflow, then click on Add Custom Layer as input. Expand the text layer, check the boxes for text color and text font, then click Add. Next up is the data linking part. Just click and hold the output dot on the right of the card, then drag it over to the input dot on the left of the card. It's super easy, right? Head back to design. I'm gonna add a 2D preview here. For the aspect ratio of this preview, we recommend 1000 by 1000. Once I hit confirm, take a look at the top left corner. One step automatically separates our production design and 2D preview design. Next, I'll add the t-shirt image to the 2D preview canvas. I'll adjust the layers and resize the customizable area. Okay, that's exactly the effect I want. Next up, hit Preview and Save in the top right corner to check out how it looks. Try out each component to see if they work properly. All checks done, perfect. Let's hit Save.